What's going on, everyone? Dave with Sell House Columbus, and we're here at another real estate closing. And that's one of the things we do is we send a mobile notary to you. And this is Ken, and Ken handles a lot of the notaries that we do, not only for us, but for the sellers that we work with, sellers like yourself. And Ken, how's been your experience working with the sellers that we work with here at Sell House Columbus?
Oh, it's fantastic. The whole idea is that we come to you, making life easy. We've got notaries that are all over the state, really notaries that are around the country, so wherever you are, we can make your life easier so that you don't have to travel all the way here, but we can come directly to you.
And if you're in Central Ohio, specifically really all over Ohio, you said you're going down to Cincinnati today?
When we're done here.
So it would be very special if we're buying your house, you contact Sell House Columbus, request Ken to do your signings. If Ken's not available, we do have other notaries. Why use a notary? Why is that so important, Ken?
Well, because we understand the documents, we understand the real estate process. This is what we do every single day. So when we come out to see you, chances are there are going to be questions, and a lot of times we can answer the questions when we're sitting right there because we do this every day. If I can't answer the question, or if one of the people from our team can't answer the question, then we always have the cell phone. We can make a phone call and get your questions answered.
So when you're selling your house to us, everything is done by the book. So we use title companies, everything's notarized, filed, recorded correctly. That's the only way to do the real estate business. You got to work with professionals who are going to do it by the book, make sure everything is notarized and whatnot. So if you have a house that you want to sell, you can call us 614-300-5151 or visit us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. You can fill out the form and we'll be in touch with you. And on behalf of myself, Dave, and Ken, we look forward to working with you.